Hello everyone, welcome to my brand new channel Designers Utopia. So this channel is basically for all the graphic designers out there who wants to learn tools like Canva and Figma. So I'll be taking you through the step-by-step process of designing, and we'll also brush up all the fundamentals and basic of graphic designing. And in this video we'll be creating a smartwatch poster design in Canva. So let's start the tutorial. This is a smartwatch poster design. So let's see how we can do this. These are the elements I have used in this design. I'll show you step by step. So first let's just copy this page, add page. Now we got this page with black background. You can add the background. And now the first element I have used is this one. You can see this one. This is called circle gradient. You can just search for circle gradient. Circle, yeah, circle gradient. So I have used this one. Let's just change the color a bit. This is yellow, let's change it in white. Yeah, but it is very bright. We can just reduce the transparency to, we can adjust the transparency to 52, or yeah, 53 maybe. Yeah, we can reduce the transparency, and we can adjust, increase the size of this gradient. Yeah, we are good to go now. So then I have used this shape. This is, you can search for abstract shape. Just go in the elements and search for abstract shape, and you can find so many shapes, different shapes there. Abstract shape. Yeah, so these are the shapes I have used. I have used this one also. Let's see in graphic section. I have used this one. Yeah, so there are so many shapes, and you can also choose some other shape if you want to. So yeah, so I have already collected the element here. You can easily get this shape once you like search, like explore this section more and more. So I'm just using this one, paste. Now after this, these are also shapes. You can search for abstract shape. Yes, this one and this one. Yes, I have used this both. So let's just take this, change the color to orange, and we can rotate it as you want. Yes, or you can just flip it. Let's increase the size. This isn't so big. We don't want it so big, so let's reduce the size. Yes. Okay, now we can use it here. Now again, you need to search for that abstract shape, and you'll get this one. This one I have shown you before. Yeah, this one. Yes, this one. So you can just search for it and change the color. I'll just copy it from here, paste. You just need to change the color to orange, and then just adjust the sides accordingly. I just want it in bit in the middle. Yes. And after this, I have used this. You can see, no, this is the image. You can see behind, I have used a gradient blob. You can search for gradient blob. Let's search for gradient blob. Gradient blob. This one. This is it. We can use this one. I have just changed the color. Let's change the color to a bit darker shade. Yes. Maybe no. This one, and we can use also this. Yes. We can reduce the transparency accordingly, so we can get the desired look as we want. So let's change the transparency. Let's just increase the size, and Yes. Now it's okay. Now now you can search for watch. In photos section you can just search for watch or smart watch. Let's watch. Let's search for black watch. We can get it. Maybe then we can get it easily. Yeah, I think this one, I've used this one. Yes. Yes, I have used this one. Let's just change the background. No, sorry, let's just remove the background. Yes, now this is it. Now we can adjust the size according to the design. Now let's see how we have used it there. Okay, now let's just increase the size. Yes. In, After increasing the size we can rotate it as you want. Now I have used this shapes and cross. We can just search for. Okay, so for that you can search for dots. Yeah, just search for dots and you can see these patterns, or you can search just for dotted patterns. So I have used one of these. I have used them and just change the color, change the color, and then I have cropped it according to my design. So you can do however you want to. So I don't want this whole pattern, so I have just cropped it according to my design or according to my. So you can do as you want. I'll just copy it from here. I'll just use this one. These are the same dotted patterns. I have just cropped it according to my wish or design. You can see. So I'll just copy this one. And for cross, you can search for crosses. Just go in element section and search for cross. You'll get so many designs. Paste, and then here this cross. I've used this cross thing. Okay. So now we're almost done. We need to add some text and this section. So I have used Monstrate Extra Bold and Arimo. I have used only these two fonts. So let's add some text. You can just press T to add text. So first Monstrate Extra Bold. Smart watch. Yes. So there is a lot of space between the line. You can adjust this space with the help of line spacing. You can reduce it as you want or you can increase it as you want it. So I don't want this much spacing, so I'll just reduce the line spacing. I don't like so much line spacing in between, so mostly I just reduce it. Okay, now we'll change this font color, this text color smart. We'll change it in orange. Yes. No, this is a bit darker shade. Let's use a bit darker shade. This one. Yes. Yes, now it looks perfect. Now let's add subheadings. Let's change the font to Arimo, and we can just reduce the size. And let's add the text. New arrival. New arrival. Okay, so the font style of this new arrival is italic. You can see here. Let's just reduce the size. We don't want this font so big, so let's just reduce it. Yeah, perfect. Hmm. Okay, so after this you can add some paragraph like I have done here. So you can just, let's just copy this one, copy paste, and change the style to normal. Change, we can reduce the size little bit. Okay, yes, now we can add anything like anything related to watch or anything you can add. I'll just copy this dummy content. Just a minute. Copy and paste. So as you can see, I think I have reduced its transparency maybe. Yes, I have reduced the transparency to 78, so that's why it's not looking so white. Okay, so we can delete this one. After this, we need to add this shop now call to action. So you can just search for rectangle element, rectangle. Yes, yeah, rectangle or square, anything. Let's just change the color to white and reduce the size. Wow, I like this new update of Canva. And then after this I have used one more rectangle. We can just copy this, copy and paste. We can just copy this and change the color to orange. Let's change the color to orange, and we can adjust it like this. Okay, after this, now I've used this text monster extra bold. So let's add some text. Let's reduce the size to 25, and let's type the text shop now. We don't want it in italic, so we'll just change the normal. And yes, we need to change the color to shop now. Shop now. And then we have used this arrow here. So let's just quickly search for arrow graphics. So I have used wait, arrow. Yes, I have used this one. Let's just change the color to white. Yes. Okay. Now after this, you can search for shapes or hexagonal shape. Hexagon. So I have used this one. Sorry, I've used this one, and I've just changed the color to orange. Yeah. Okay. Now we'll search for this. We don't need to search. We'll just select this outline, hexagonal outline, and we'll place it above this hexagon. Okay. Now we need to add some text. Let's just zoom it out. And also I think I have reduced the transparency because just to give a off-white look. So I've reduced the transparency. Let's reduce it. Okay, now we have added text over here, 50% off. You can see here. So we can just copy this one, copy paste. Let's change the color to white. 50%, 50% off. Let's just reduce the transparency of this text too. I just wanted to give it a, a bit of white kind of look, so I have reduced the transparency of mm, the shape and the text, everything. Okay, I think it's perfect. And then lastly, we need to add this icons and this information, website and mobile phone information. So let's just search for icons. You can phone icon. You can search for phone icon. Yes, this one. Let's change the color to again orange. Yes, you can adjust it anywhere you want. And then we have used this website icon. Let's search for website icon. Website icon. Yes, and then again we'll change the, yes, we'll just change the color to orange, and we'll adjust the size accordingly. Now I made it so small because we don't need that much big icon. I think, yes, I think we need to make it a bit small. Okay, is there, this color is, yes, now it's okay. Okay, now we need to add this information. This is also, we can just copy this one, copy paste, and just add whatever text you want. Okay, I'm just copying this number. Let's reduce the size a bit, size of font. Okay, and then this www.website.com. Okay, I need it more brighter. Okay, now the design is ready. So this is my first video on YouTube. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share your reviews in comment section. And that's it.
Okay, so this was a step-by-step tutorial of how to make a poster design in Canva. Hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any kind of question, please comment below and let me know your thoughts. Till then, stay tuned for next video.